A boy born with a silver spoon but become a celibate. This is a story of a boy, which the name I will tell you in the story. First, let me introduce myself. I good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I Himaksh Mittal is going to speak a story on the person named Gautam Buddha. As my former speaker said about him, she was. You will all say you are copying. No, but I am telling his the first moment is the starting moment of his life. So let's start. Once Gautam Buddha came and said to his father, "Father, I want to go out. I doesn't want to stay at home only." He was his father, a great leader, Suddhodhan. He was very powerful that he can destroy the full world. But at the neck, he was of 15. He never goes out of the home because his father doesn't want. So when emotionally he cried in the front of his father. The father emotionally damaged and say, "Okay, my son, you can go after 2 days." After the 2 days, before the 2 days, he decorated his full kingdom like a queen or like a princess, and say to all the peoples that they will not fight, they will not abuse, there will be no coffins going. So the people agreed. After 2 days, when the Gautam Buddha once he step out of this palace, he think, "Oh my God, what is this world? How happiness, how joyness, no abuseness, no fighting." But he doesn't. He doesn't know that this is not the world. After the age of 15th, he again go at 22. But after 15, only at 22, not before. At 22, he doesn't tell his father, and the kingdom was not decorated. There was coffins, there were fight, there was abuseness. Gautam Buddha, Siddharth thought, "What is this? Before when I have came, there was no fighting, there was no abuseness. Have our kingdom changed?" Horse rider, a horse rider was there who was carrying his horse rider, sir, horse cart. So when he asked that before that there was also this abuseness, horse rider replied very gently, "Yes, there was, but your father, a great king, has said to all the peoples that they will not fight, they will not abuse." After speaking this word, there was coffin going in front of them. Buddha asked, "What is this?" "This is coffin," horse rider replied. "Why man is lying on the coffin?" Because horse rider replied, "Because he is died." "He is not more." Gautam Buddha asked, "I will also die, you will also die?" "Yes, you will also die, I will also die." And he also see a priest praising to the mighty, praising to the God. Then he asked, "Who is this? What is he doing?" "He is a priest, he is a saint, he is a celibate. He is praising to the mighty. Have you not praised?" Gautam Buddha say, "I have never praised." So at 1 year, one full year he have researched, and on the day of 23rd, he become a celibate. In the dark night, it was raining heavily, and the Gautam Buddha came out of his palace and become a celibate. His father, his mother, his wife and his children were searching him, but he was not there. He reached to Bihar, Bodh Gaya, and he done meditation for 1 year. For concentration, he make that much of concentration that he can talk to the God, to the mighty. And then he has told to his followers that before this age I was a monkey, and I have said all the persons to all the monkeys that we are in a big trouble. So the great King Ashoka, we all know him. He was very bad in the starting, but after being a follower of Lord Buddha, he became that much of kind that he respect a dog, a cat, or a leaf of the plant also, or a tree also. So at the last of this story, I want to convey this message that we are all are equals. If we want to follow anything, we can follow, and we have to follow, and we should follow the enlightenment, the teaching of Lord Buddha. Thank you and have a nice day.